that's definitely a good workout, my friends. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing ArmoGear's punching battle bag. So this is for ages 8 and older. So how powerful are your punches? Includes one punching bag and one set of gloves. So it's got a sturdy base. It says fill base with water or sand to prevent tipping over. I recommend sand. Sand is a little more denser. It's easier to have a low center of gravity than the water. So go with sand. If you don't have sand and you just want to test it out, water should be fine. But if your child or even you are knocking it over completely the whole way very often, try going with sand. It might help you. So let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what you get inside. So this is it. This is what you get inside. So this is the base, and you would fill your sand and water in here. Not sand and water, but sand or water in your base. So as we can see, this is the punching bag, and they provide you a pump. So this is an air pump. So take out this little nozzle and you thread this inside here. Once you have it thread in good, you now take this, put it through, and now you can fill this up. So it gets through just like that, and you fill it up. Might take a little time to fill up, but as you can see, it's expanding. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Once you got it filled up, pull the little nozzle out of there, pull it out, and you're good to go. So now we're gonna set up the base. So the instructions are very straightforward to set up the base. So follow the instructions. It looks very simple on how to do it. I mean, it's only one paper and it looks really easy to set up. So this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna put the plug through the bolt right like that, hold the bolt, and then you're going to go ahead and go through the motions and put everything down through from the top. So go ahead and do that now, follow the directions. So once you got it on, that's how it's gonna look. You got your pipe going down, washer, plug, washer, your bolts, your plug in there as well. That just tightens through the pipe at the bottom. Now we're gonna go ahead and set everything else up here. All right, so now you take this adjustment knob and that goes place right like this. And now you're gonna take this pipe, that slides down. Be careful, don't let it go the whole way down. It can fall down there. So make sure you take your adjustment screw, place that screw through the hole, and that allows you to adjust this at whatever height you want. So we take it down here. Now we can screw this in, make it tight but not crazy tight, and that keeps it adjusted. Okay, this is the plug for your base right in here. Once you fill it with water or sand, you go ahead and you plug that in, and this of course goes at the top up here, and this just screws right in. So you just thread this in, make sure it's in the whole way and make sure it's tight, and that's it. That's how you get it. Now you got your punching bag. So boxing gloves, let's see, I don't know if they're gonna fit an adult size. They're probably, oh, actually you can fit an adult's hand in here if you really wanted to. If you wanted to take over from your kids, you could actually put an adult's hand in here Now, of course, we don't have it weighted down, but as you can see, that's definitely a good workout, my friends. Oh yeah, your kids are gonna love this. Even as an adult, it's actually pretty cool. Definitely will give a great workout. They supply you with the gloves, everything you needed. Overall, I'm actually kind of impressed with this. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I'm holding the base with one hand and hitting with the other. I mean, definitely good hand-eye coordination. To keep it straight. Very nice. Very impressed with this.